In this support video, we'll walk you through activating your device using the app. Let's make it quick and easy. To start, choose New User Registration. You'll need to enter a few details: a username of your choice, a password, your email, your first and last name, a phone number, and a 4-digit PIN for extra security. Once you've filled everything out, just hit Submit. Next, to add your device, choose Activate Device. Here, you can either scan the QR code on the back of your device, or if you don't have a QR code, simply select I don't have a QR code to manually enter your device's serial number. Once your device is added, you'll see payment plan options. You can select a monthly auto charge or prepay for a 6-month, 1-year, or 2-year plan, which come with discounts. In this example, we're going with the monthly auto charge option. Then choose your tracking interval. We're selecting 3-minute updates. To finish setting up your payment, select Add a Payment Method. Enter your payment details and hit Save. Take a moment to read our terms and conditions by choosing Terms and Policies. Check the box to agree to the terms. Then select Submit to finalize your activation. With that done, you'll automatically be taken to your device. Turn it on and head outside for a quick walk or drive to test it out. Your device is now activated. Thanks for watching. For more help, check out our other videos.